In front of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Biometrics and Password. Now click on Lock Screen Password and choose Change Unlock Method. Then select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with Pattern, so now I have to click on it, enter my login method and repeat it. When you're ready, choose Done at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to add your fingerprint as well, you can do that by choosing Add. I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel, choose Home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, screen lock is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!